Unlocking the magic of the Midas Touch. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in English conversations, stories, or even in business contexts. The Midas Touch. We're going to explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's unlock the magic behind this intriguing expression together. The Midas Touch refers to the ability to turn everything one touches into a success, especially in making money or generating wealth. It's often used to describe someone who seems to succeed in every venture they undertake. The phrase implies not just success, but an almost magical ability to turn any project or investment into gold. The phrase comes from a Greek myth about King Midas. According to legend, Midas was granted a wish by the god Dionysus, and he wished that everything he touched would turn into gold. At first, this seemed like a fantastic power. However, Midas soon realized it was a curse when his food, drinks, and even his daughter turned into gold upon his touch. This story teaches us about greed and the potential downside of our desires. You can use the Midas Touch in various contexts. In business, to complement someone's consistent success in their ventures. In casual conversation, to describe a friend who seems to always come out on top, no matter the situation. In storytelling, to illustrate a character with an exceptional gift or ability, often with a hint of caution about the potential consequences. Ever since she started her own company, everything she touches seems to turn to gold. She really has the Midas Touch. This investor is known for his Midas Touch. Every project he backs turns into a success. Be careful not to wish for the Midas Touch. Sometimes, what seems like a blessing can turn into a curse. I hope this video has shed some light on the fascinating phrase, the Midas Touch, and its rich background. Remember, while it's a compliment to someone's success, it's also a reminder of the myth's moral lesson about greed and desire. Thanks for watching, and may you find success in your endeavors, though, perhaps, not quite in the literal way King Midas did. See you in the next video.